If you've been on my channel for a little while, I'm sure you've already noticed it, but I've just painted my cabinetry in the elegant Swiss Coffee by Sherwin-Williams, and I am absolutely in love with the result.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they pass, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. Weeks and months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said. Gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart, that's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. You realize I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Say the word when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk by you? You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Say the word when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are
'Cause I've been spending all my time to figure out just how. I've been spending way too many thoughts on what went wrong. But what goes up must come down, is what goes up.
I hope this message finds you all well. As the day winds down, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude for your incredible support and positive energy. It truly means the world to me. Tonight, I'm feeling a bit tired after giving it my all in the cleaning marathon, and I've decided to call it a night. But fear not, my friends, because this is just a brief intermission. I'll be back before you know it with more cleaning motivations, tips, and maybe a few surprises. Remember, rest is just as important as productivity, and we all need a good night's sleep to recharge our cleaning superpowers. Thank you for being an amazing part of this journey. Your comments, likes, and shares fuel my motivation to keep going, and I can't wait to tackle more cleaning challenges together. Until then, sweet dreams and a peaceful night's sleep to each and every one of you. See you soon for another round of cleaning motivation and positivity.